Hello, Donna here again. I'm going to talk you through now the Clubfit sessions that we run in Healthy Body, Healthy Mind every Saturday morning at 8:45, approximately about a 35-minute session. Tutus and sticks are optional. A lot of us bring spoons, whisks. It encourages you to use your arms a lot more. So I'm just going to take you through a couple of the routines. I hope you enjoy them and look forward to seeing you on a session very soon. So we're going to start in fours and we're going to use the right arm to start with. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, same movement with the arm, but then stepping it out with the leg. Okay, give me one more. Okay, left knee, 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 and kick, kick. So you choose your level. You can bring it higher or keep it lower. Okay, give me one more. Big circle round with the arms. We're going over and pull. Run forward and back. Body roll to the right and then left. And run. Over, pull back and open. Run. Go, go, go. Last one. Back to the legs and arms. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, last one, and then we're going to flip onto another track. So lots of hip action in this next one. We'll start with the left hip going out and we'll step it out. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. So pretend you've got a hula hoop around the waist there and then use the arms. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. My sunrise on the darkest day. Sorry, I love to sing. We have so much fun on a Saturday morning. Best start to your day. Clock up those steps. Benefit your body and your mind. Last one. Knee, knee, kick, kick left. Give me one more. Then we're going to salsa forward with the left leg and rock it back. Last one. Rock it forward and back. And then we've got a towel behind the back. And we're going to twist it round, wiggle and a jiggle. Change direction. Okay, single, single, double, left, right, double, left, flat feet. And we can stay here, or we can up it. Another level. Okay, last one. Pull it across, wind it round. Last one, then I'm going to wrap up for today. Oh, we hope to see you very soon in Healthy Body, Healthy Mind on Clubfit Saturday mornings. Thank you.